Hi everyone, I am learning something cool today and I want to share it with you. Imagine your toys are scattered all over the floor. Finding your favorite car takes forever, right? But look at this chocolate box. It has specific slots. If I put a chocolate slot number 0, I know that exactly where it is. In coding, it, this box is called an array. It's just a row of boxes where we keep our data organized. Next is time complexity. Now, why does it matter how we find things that called time complexity? O of 1, the rocket. I ask for the toy in slot 1 and you give it to me instantly, fast. O of n is the bicycle. I ask for a specific blue toy, you have to check every slot from start to finish. If the box is huge, it takes longer. O of n square, the turtle. This is slow. It's like checking every toy against every other toy. We want to avoid this to keep our apps fast. Let's solve a puzzle. Finding the maximum element. Imagine these numbers are towers. We look at the first tower 10. We say you are the tallest for now. We look at the next 5. Nope, 10 is still taller. We look at 20. Now, wow, 20 is taller than 10. Now 20 is our king. We look at 8, 20 is still the winner. See, we checked every tower once, that's O of n speed. The next is 2 sum. We need to find two numbers that add up to 9. It's like finding two puzzle pieces that fit. We pick 2 and ask, who do I need to make 9? 9 minus 2 is 7. We look at the next slot, it's 7. Perfect match. We found them right away. Next, time for a medium challenge. It's called moving zeros. Imagine the zeros are dust bunnies and the other numbers are toys. We want the toys in front and the dust at the back. We walk through the row. If we see a toy, we push it to the first available spot in the front. By the time we finish, all the toys are lined up and we just fill the remaining spots with zeros. Clean and tidy. The next final boss level, container with most water. Imagine walls of different heights. We want to pick two walls to hold the most water. If we check every pair, it's too slow, O of n square. So we use a trick called 2 pointers. I put one finger at the start and one at the end. We calculate the water, then we move the finger that's pointing to the shorter wall inward. Why? Because a short wall limits how much water we can hold. We keep moving until our fingers meet. This way, we find the best spot super fast. Coding is just like solving riddles or tidying up your room. The better our logic, the faster our rocket goes. If you enjoyed learning with me, hit that like button. See you in the next loop.